In a vast, glistening ocean, there lived a porpoise named Pippin. Pippin was known for his quick movements and playful spirit. One day, Pippin found himself lost in the vastness of the sea, far from his home. Pippin swam and swam, but the current was strong and he couldn't seem to find his way back. He felt helpless, lost, and scared. A school of fish swam by, and Pippin asked them for directions, but they continued on their way, leaving Pippin alone. Feeling desperate, Pippin saw a wise old sea turtle drifting by. "Oh, dear sea turtle," Pippin called out, "I am lost and I don't know where to go." The sea turtle stopped and looked at Pippin with kind eyes. "Do not worry, little one," the sea turtle said, "you are lost, but you are not alone. The sea is vast, but it is also full of life. Trust in yourself and your abilities, and you will find your way home." Pippin thought about the sea turtle's words. He remembered that he had a quick and agile body, and that he could swim faster than any other creature in the sea. With renewed determination, Pippin began to swim again, using his skills to navigate the currents. Days turned into weeks, but Pippin never gave up. He swam and swam, always moving forward, always pushing himself to go faster and farther. Eventually, he saw a familiar rock formation on the horizon. It was his home. Pippin swam towards the rock formation, tears of joy streaming down his face. He had found his way back, all because he believed in himself and trusted in his abilities. From that day on, Pippin never took his home for granted. He remembered the lesson he learned from the wise sea turtle, that trust in oneself and one's abilities can help one overcome even the most difficult challenges. Moral: trust in yourself and your abilities, and you can overcome any obstacle. Never give up on your dreams, and always believe that you can achieve them.